So let's make a question. Like for example, let's make the question first. Game. What's the question for number 1 over here? And the answer, Jason.
What did he do last weekend?
So what did he do last weekend? So
He went backpacking.
Yeah, he went backpacking. Okay, how about for Okay, let's take turns. Okay. So what's my question for number 2, Jason? What's my question for number 2?
What did they do last weekend?
Okay, what did they do last weekend? They built a sandcastle. Okay, now my turn for you, Jason. What did they do last weekend? What did they do last weekend? Number 3.
They had a picnic.
Okay, they had a picnic. Okay, what's my question for number 4 now?
What did he do last weekend?
Okay, what did I do? What? Oh, number 4. What's the question again?
What did he do last weekend?
Okay, what did he do last weekend? He went swimming. Okay, how about number 5 for you, Jason? What did she do last weekend?
He went sledding.
She went sledding. Okay, and what's my question for number 6? So, come on, Jason, you can do it. And 2010, I was living. He was listening. He what? Okay, it's a question. Okay, what's the watching?